Now, do you want to learn easy way to do green screen on CapCut? Here it is. Simply proceed to open up CapCut and open up the project. Now I've already opened one by default, but you can proceed to open up new project, tap on new video and proceed to select the video. But for instance, I want this video particularly here. I'll just select a shorter one, so add it. Once you have the project, what you want to do is you can select the photo or video first that you want to use as your new background and tap add. So first thing is not to open up your video, the main video, in the front that you'll use. You want to open up the background. So for instance, let me just choose a background here. Now I will be using this particular background here, right? I want the background from this. Now, however, here now what you can do is head into overlay option from the timeline and then tap on add overlay and now add your main video. So I just selected this video earlier, right? So let me add it. Now once you have added, you can resize the video exactly to match, right? It depends on how much you want, cropped or such. So if you want it small, you can edit it as well, but I'm just leaving it to this much. Now here, select the video and here you'll find various list of options. You want to swipe to the right and you can see remove background option. Now you can use this feature to select remove background and you can select auto removal. It is AI feature. It is strong. If you do not have CapCut Pro, however, you won't be able to use it. So you can use Chroma key and then pick a color. So for instance, you want to pick a color here to remove, right? This way. And you can select it and then you can increase the intensity as well for it. Now you can do it this way. And if it is not removed all, you can again select Chroma key here and select it again. You can also make feather edge here. Now for me, I'm just using a random video, so it's not up to 100%, but this is how you can easily use green screen. So you can see it's still worth it. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.